Yes.
Handshake.
So sometimes we bow, sometimes we shake our hand.
All right.
Yep.
Bow.
Bow. Yep.
So we have different culture, right? For
Yes.
example, this one. Mm.
Oh.
Oh, you had your party a while ago, right?
Yes. Yes.
So this one is like cheering, cheers.
Cheers. Yep.
But this person is using the cup and this person is using the bottle.
Bottle. Yep.
Yeah, it's
I
really
love
different.
bottle. Yep.
Ah, you love the bottle. So
Yes.
actually you drink alcohol, right?
Yes.
Mm.
A
How
little bit.
a little, a
Yep.
little. What
Yep.
about beer in can? Can you drink?
Yes.
Mm. Okay. So this one is all about different people. Okay.
Okay.
What about this? What kind of
Okay.
nationality is this? Do you think? Is this Filipino, Chinese,
Philippine.
Filipino? Maybe.
Filipino. Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, Brazil.
Brazilian.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
What about this? This person, really different.
USA.
Yes, it's from the USA.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mm,
USA.
okay. And what about this? This one is
The middle
Asian.
is Korea.
Yeah, Korean.
Yeah,
Okay.
Korea.
This one is American.
American. Yeah.
And this one,
South Africa.
yeah, South
Maybe.
Africa. What
Yeah.
about in your hotel? All the employees are Taiwanese or another?
Almost.
Almost.
Almost. Yep.
But you have foreigner employees, correct?
Uh, we have one Korean.
Ah, one
Korean.
Korean. What
Yes.
is he or she?
He.
He.
Yep.
What is his position in the company?
Uh, just front desk.
Ah, all
Yep.
right, in the front desk.
Yep.
Okay. And what about this person? American and
Saudi Arabia.
yes, okay, Arabic.
Arabic.
Yeah,
Yep.
they are Arabic and this one is
Rich
American.
man. Rich man.
Yeah, ah, rich man.
Yeah. Yes.
Usually, I think.
Yeah. Yep.
Yes. Okay, they are very rich.
Yep.
And you know, Saudi is the number one oil. You know oil?
Yes, I know
They're
that.
number one in oil. They produce oil.
Yep.
Yes. So that's why they are very rich.
Yes.
And nowadays, there are many Filipinos working there in
Oh,
Saudi.
really?
Yes, really.
In
A lot.
Taiwan, many Filipino
Many
here.
Filipinos too. Because
Yes.
in Saudi, it's easy to go there and there are a lot of job opportunities.
Okay. Yep.
But in Taiwan, I think it's hard. It's hard
Hard.
to go. Yeah.
Why?
Just
I think it's easy to come our company.
it's easy to come in your company.
Yes.
Mm, I think not. Yeah. Just I think. But I don't know. I think your government is strict, very strict.
No.
No?
No.
Oh, okay. Maybe
We
I
can
have
we can see many Philippine in
Filipinos.
our maybe lay off. They will go to train station.
All right.
Yes,
So you can see
party
them.
just like their party. Yeah, off
Ah,
day. Yep.
okay. Their party.
Yes.
They have
Yes.
their own party in the park, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Especially Taipei train station.
Ah, inside train station. Under the
Yes.
train, in the station,
Yep.
they had their party. So
Yep.
today's our topic is about this
Culture and
culture and
differences.
okay, in every country there is own culture. So we have different culture in the world, right?
Right.
Okay. So can you answer this question?
Okay.
Would
Would you like to live in a place where
where
everyone
everyone is the same
is the same
or different?
or is different?
Okay. Would you like to work or live in a place where everyone the same? For example, the same Taiwanese, the same Filipinos, or different nationalities?
I like work in a place is different.
Ah,
Where
okay.
is different
What?
because I can meet many friends from different countries.
All right.
Yeah.
But sometimes there are a lot of problems if you are working in different people, right?
In
Okay.
Taiwan,
In
only
Taiwan.
for yeah, in Taiwan, uh, the same Taiwanese
Yeah, the same Taiwanese. I think
is
Taiwanese, okay.
is I think is some problem.
Ah,
So
if
the same foreigner or Taiwanese the same.
the
Many
same,
problem.
many
Yes.
problems. I think so,
Yes.
right?
Yep.
If you
Yep.
if you are working in the same group, there is still
Yes.
problem. Different
Yes.
groups, there is
Yes.
still problem. Ah,
Yes.
same. I have question. What about your Korean employee? He can speak English very well?
No.
Ah, no.
Only only Korean.
Only Korean. So
Yes,
how?
because in our hotel many
Okay.
Korean
Ah,
guests
many
yes
Koreans.
come to our hotel. Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
No Filipinos there. I want to work in your hotel.
Um some
And then I will
not
speak, I
not
will,
a little.
yeah, and then I will speak Philippine language.
It's okay. Welcome.
It's okay, welcome.
Yes.
Ah, okay. So I think you are better than Korean employee, right?
Yes.
But you want to work in a place wherein there are different culture because you can find friends, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Very interesting.
Very interesting.
Yep.
But sometimes you don't understand to each other. Yeah, you don't understand to each other. Sometimes.
But when I stayed there for
Hmm.
a long time, I can know everyone.
Oh, you can know everyone.
Yes.
I think so. Okay. You are
Yep.
really a good leader. Yes.
I
Okay.
hope so.
Yeah.
Hope so. Yeah.
So our topic is about culture.
What
This
is
one.
culture? Okay.
What is
Mm,
culture? So this
okay.
one.
Okay.
The
The set of common beliefs and practice
practices.
practice
Yes.
that a person shares with a group.
Or another meaning, this one.
The
The
various
value.
beliefs, uh,
Values.
values,
Yes.
beliefs, attitudes, languages, symbols, uh, re-
Rituals.
rituals,
Yeah. Correct. Ritual.
rituals, behaviors, and customs unique to a part,
Particular.
particular group of people and that are pa- passed down from generation
Generation
to
to
generation.
generation. Okay. So that's the meaning of culture. Culture is about values, beliefs, practices, attitude, and also all about language. Do you like the culture of Taiwan? Do you like?
It's my
Tai-
culture.
ah,
I like
yes.
it. Very
So,
special.
what is the best Taiwanese culture that you like the most?
Friendly. Yeah.
Ah, Okay.
Yeah.
So I think Taiwanese and Japanese have the same culture, correct? Taiwanese,
Um, n-
Japanese, no,
not not the same.
not the same. Okay.
Yeah, not the same.
What about Chinese and Taiwanese? The same?
No, not the
No.
same. They
Ah,
are very noisy.
they are very noisy.
Chinese very noisy.
I think they are also friendly, correct?
I
But Taiwanese is more friendly.
yes.
Mm, okay.
Taiwanese is a high level, I think.
Ah,
Sorry.
they are
I
high
have to say
level.
that. Yes, I have to say that.
Yeah, I had to say that.
Yep, I have to say high
Oh,
level.
high level. Okay, so
Yep.
Taiwanese are not
Mm,
really low, okay, but maybe in the middle, right?
yes.
But I like your culture, very friendly. Like Filipino. Filipino also is friendly.
Yes, I know that.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Hospitality.
Oh, hospitality.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
What else? Friendly. What else? Taiwanese
Um.
culture.
Um. Taiwan's culture.
Yeah.
Huh. Humble.
Oh, humble.
Yep.
Yes. Humble but rich, right?
Oh yes, rich.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes,
And
rich.
I think Taiwanese people really work hard.
Oh yes.
Yeah, work
Yep.
hard. I
Yep.
think so. So, what about the language?
Language.
You speak Chinese, correct? Or Mandarin?
Chinese.
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 Yeah.
Taiwanese.
Taiwanese.
Some person speak Hakka.
What is that?
Hakkanese.
Ah, ka- I don't know
Hakka.
that. Kaka.
Hakka.
Ah,
Hakka.
Haka.
Hakka.
Haka. Hakanese.
Yes. Yes.
Oh,
Just right. It dinner we say siphon. Siphon.
Sifan. Ah,
Siphon. Yeah. Hakka. Hakka.
Haka. Oh,
Hakka.
all right.
Taiwanese eat dinner we say Japeng.
Japang.
Japeng.
Okay.
Taiwanese. Yeah.
Taiwanese. I think
Different. Yep.
Taiwanese.
Hakka.
It's
Siphon.
different.
Yep. Different.
Okay.
Okay. Language. Different language.
I thought Taiwanese and Chinese the same language. I think, but different.
Different.
Okay. Different. What about religion? Do you know religion?
Re- oh, religion?
Yeah,
What
religion.
is
This one.
religion?
I'm gonna
Religion?
religion. Religion is like belief. For example, I am Christian.
Oh, our religion almost Buddha. Buddha.
Buddhism.
Yeah.
Okay, Buddhism.
Yeah. Buddhism. Yep.
Okay, that is Buddhism.
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 Buddhism. Yep.
Yes, this one, Buddhism. Mm.
Buddhism.
And then
Yep.
your God is Buddha.
Yes, Buddha. Many
Yeah.
many different Buddha.
Really?
Yes.
I don't.
Guan Yin Buddha.
Oh yeah,
And
yeah, Buddha like this.
yeah,
And this
different.
one, this one.
佛祖 Buddha.
Ah,
Different.
really? I thought
Yes.
only one.
No,
No.
different. Different.
Different. So there are many Buddhas.
Yes.
Okay.
So different Buddha, different temple.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, different temple.
Yeah. The
So,
building it's not the same.
the
Yep.
building is not the same.
Yes.
But I think that the Buddhism temple is really beautiful and good, right?
Yes,
Mm.
many colors.
Yeah, many colors, very
Yeah,
colorful. It
yeah,
looks interesting.
yeah,
In my case, I usually go to church. We call the church, right?
yeah,
Church in Christian.
yeah.
Church every Sunday. What about you? Do you go to temple every Sunday?
No, no.
No. Okay.
When I maybe when I have something not good, I will go
Okay.
to temple. Not every Sunday.
Not every Sunday. And then
No.
you pray, right?
Yes.
You pray. Mm.
Some people will go to temple maybe uh 15
Yeah,
or
15.
the first.
Okay.
So twice a
Twice a
month.
month. Only
Yeah.
twice a month. Ah.
Yes.
But
First and the
first
15th.
and 15th.
Yeah.
Usually like that in Buddhism.
Yep.
But in Christianity, I think every Sunday we go to church. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
So
different culture. Yeah.
different culture, I
Yeah.
know. What do you think? Different culture will affect the business? Will affect the business? Like different
Mm,
religion, different language, different belief will affect the business?
no, not really.
Not
No.
really. Okay.
No.
What is
No.
your opinion about that? What is your opinion?
Uh, because our guests
Okay, our guest.
come to our hotel
Mm-hmm.
only for meal or only for a stay our
Only for
hotel.
stay.
So
Yeah.
it's not.
It doesn't affect.
Yeah.
Yeah. It doesn't affect, right, the company. Right.
Yeah.
That's a good answer. And sometimes we need only to respect, right?
Respect.
Respect. Yeah. Do you know
um
respect one another?
would you explain respect?
Respect is like, for example, I am Christian, you
Yeah.
are Buddhist. We
Yeah.
have to respect. We don't need to fight.
Oh yes, we don't
Yes,
need to fight.
fight.
in
Yeah,
our
about,
in our country it's okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
In our country too, it's okay. Religion
Yes.
is free.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have a lot of religion here in the Philippines.
Yes.
Mm. But I think 60% or 80% is Christians in the Philippines. What about in Taiwan? Buddhism?
Buddhism maybe 80%.
80%.
Yeah.
Okay. So
20% Christian. Christian.
Christianity.
Yeah.
Yeah, Christian.
Christianity.
We
Yeah.
believe in Christ. Okay, Christian. Christian.
Christian.
Yes, this one.
Christian. Yep.
Yes,
Mm,
Christian.
yeah.
So I think we need to respect one another. We don't need to fight, right?
Yes.
Especially if we are working in one company, we need to respect one another. That's very
Yep.
important.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so let's continue.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's the example of culture. Mm. This one is core
Corporate culture.
culture. Okay. Corporate
Culture.
culture.
Corporate culture is a term used to che-
Ca, ca, car, character,
character
characterize,
characterize
characterize. One more,
characterize
characterize
how the managers and the employees of particular
companies.
companies. Oh, companies tend to behave.
Okay, I'm gonna make it bigger. Just wait. This one. It's okay now. Can you see?
Yes.
I can't. Okay, so
Okay.
I know.
Corporate culture is also used by human resource managers and senior management in their attempts to proactively shape the kind of behavior.
Okay, the kind of behavior. Like, for example, innovative, open, dynamic.
Innovative, open, dynamic.
Okay.
What is dynamic?
Dynamic is active.
Active.
Yes, like energetic with energy.
Dynamic. Okay.
Dynamic, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, are you a dynamic person?
Dynamic person?
Yeah. Yes, always energetic.
Oh, yes, I am.
Yeah, I think you are a dynamic person, okay?
Yep. They hope to nurture.
Yes, you know the word nurture?
Nurture in their organizations.
Organizations. Can you read again? Organizations.
Organizations.
Yeah, this one is characterize.
Characterize.
One more, characterize.
Characterize.
Okay. And then management, proactively.
Proactively.
All right.
Proactively.
Okay, that's the meaning of corporate culture. That's inside the company. Okay, corporate.
Corporate culture.
The word corporate is like business culture.
Oh, business culture.
Yes, the same. Okay.
Corporate business culture.
Yes.
Okay.
And also business culture promoting distinctive
corporate culture is also expected to enhance the sense of community and shared identity that underpins effective organizations.
Yeah, one more. Let's read. Organizations. One more.
Organizations.
Okay, this one. Community. Yes. Identity. Expected. Distinctive. Okay, so usually business culture is all about to improve the organizations inside the company. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Do you know the word distinctive?
No.
No. Distinctive is like particular. Yeah, this one. Having special. Can you see?
Yes.
Yeah.
Having a special quality.
Yes. Distinctive is special quality. And then proactive.
Serving to prepare
for. And then
underpin
strengthen. Okay, strengthen. All right, so this one, underpin is strengthen organizations. Okay,
underpins
effective organization.
effective organizations.
Yes. So in your group, uh, Miss Jane, in your group, there are a lot of people, right? In your
Yeah.
company, in your
Yes.
department.
Yeah.
So, what do you usually do to underpin or strengthen or to make stronger your relationship to one another? What do you
Um.
usually do? Because you are the manager.
Yes.
Mm.
I have to care my staff.
Oh, yeah, your
Yeah.
staff.
Yes. And I have to let them know I'm very care about them.
Oh, you
And
take care of them.
yes,
In what way of taking care of them?
um, I always talk to them
Mm-hmm.
if they have any problem.
All
Just,
right. That's really
just
good.
yeah, just to tell me. Just
Okay.
to just tell me. Yep.
Just tell me, are
Yeah.
you approachable person? You know the word approachable? Approach. This one.
Approach.
Approachable. Mm-hmm. Approachable. Are you approachable
Approachable.
person?
Approachable.
Meaning
I
to
don't.
say, like your staff are not scared to talk to you.
No,
No.
not
Okay.
really. Because I'm a director. They
Yeah.
always scared to tell me
Mm,
something. Yeah.
something. Okay, so
Yeah.
you are approachable person, I think. Like a little bit friendly. Friendly. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. And one of the cultures of Taiwanese is friendly, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And you
But
like it.
different position,
Ah, yes.
different power. So maybe some staff they scared to tell me because
Ah,
I'm their advisor. Yeah.
advisor, director, manager, right?
Yes.
About the event.
Yeah.
Did you make a big event in Christmas Day in
Yes.
your
Christmas Day.
hotel?
Yeah. Yes.
Only
A
party?
party.
Yeah,
Only party. Yes.
party.
Party. Yeah.
Wow.
Chri- Uh,
So you
uh,
had your party for how many hours? You had your party?
almost 4 hours
Oh, wow, for
for
hour
dinner. Yeah. For
for
dinner.
dinner,
Yes.
drinking,
Yeah.
and then giving gifts, right?
Yes.
Mm,
Chris. How to
Christmas
say that?
gift,
Yes. And
giveaway, Christmas giveaway.
yep.
Yes, giveaway.
And the Santa Claus. Santa
Ah,
Claus. Yep.
okay. So what about
Many little Santa Claus in our hotel.
wow, Santa
Little.
Claus, little,
Little. Yeah. Santa Claus. Very
little
cute.
Santa Claus,
Yes. Very
very
cute.
cute.
About 80 little
Santa
Santa
Claus,
Claus. Yes.
really? You're
All of
not
my
kidding?
lobby. Yeah. Very cute. And
80?
very, yes. 80. 80.
Oh, very cute. Okay.
Very noisy.
Oh, very noisy.
Yeah.
Okay, but I think it's very good.
Yeah.
What about in New Year? Did you have a big event?
Yes, big event. Uh,
Fireworks? You have
yes,
fireworks?
very a very special firework
Very
near our hotel. Yeah, in
wow.
our city. Yeah,
And then
Taoyuan City.
you were lying down in your bed and watching the beautiful fireworks.
Yes.
Maybe you were drunk at the time.
No, no.
No,
Just
no.
sleep. Just sleep.
Really rest. Okay. All right. So you really take care of your staff. You are really a good director.
Y-
Mm,
I am.
yeah, I know. I believe in you.
Yep.
So this one is influence it.
Influence of culture
Oh, yeah.
on international management.
Okay. Culture.
Culture influences s- strategic management in a number of ways.
Okay. So
Work attitude.
yeah, number one is work
Work
attitude.
attitude, yep,
Mm,
is very important. For
very
example,
important.
work ethics,
Mm,
organ,
organization,
organization,
commitment.
commitment,
Okay, one more. Relax. Organization.
organization,
Yeah,
organization,
organization.
commitment,
Commitment. Okay.
commitment.
Yeah, work attitude is very important, right?
Yes,
Yes.
M-
I have a good
more
work attitude.
important uh,
More important
than skill.
promotion than skills.
Yes, work
Yes.
attitudes. Yep,
Yeah. I
yep.
think if you are employee, you need to come to the company early, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you shouldn't be late.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah,
I don't
what about
I don't like my staff work late and
okay.
they maybe uh don't
They don't
they don't call
okay. Inform
us.
or
Yeah.
tell if
Yep.
they don't call me,
Yep.
so you will get
When they
mad.
are late. Yep. I
Need to
don't
be
like.
you don't like that.
Yes,
Okay.
because it's not a good work attitudes.
That's no work attitudes.
Yep.
Okay. Miss Jane, I have question.
Okay.
Before, when you entered your hotel, maybe you started in in a low position, correct?
What is low position? What's
Meaning to
that?
say, at that time you were not a manager. When you entered your company for the first time,
Yep.
you were already manager. What is your first position?
I'm only a Chinese restaurant.
Oh,
How to say that?
owner, manager, supervisor?
No, no.
No. Staff,
Staff.
worker, crew?
Yep.
Ah,
Worker.
worker.
Yep.
Okay. So you started
My
in that
first. Yeah, my first position.
job. Ah, your first position.
Yeah.
And then because you had a good work attitude, you got promoted, right?
Yes.
Mm,
About 12 years.
about 12 years. Really?
Yes.
It
Yes.
was very long.
Yep.
Oh.
So
So, and
I have good work attitudes. My
attitude,
boss
yes.
look at me.
Okay. So you
So I
deserve
get
that
promoted.
position
Yep.
right now.
Yes.
So, so after that, you just worker, and then after 12 years, you became what? You became what is your next position?
Uh, banquet staff.
Bank in the bank.
Yeah,
Wow.
banquet. Uh,
Banquet. Not
banquet.
oh yeah, I know banquet.
Yeah,
Okay, banquet.
yeah.
One more banquet. Yes. And
You
next
are
one
drunk.
is not bank, okay? Banquet.
Yeah,
Yes. And next is achievement.
achievement, motivation,
Vision. Mm,
the
the
desire,
desire. This is
the
desire.
desire,
Yes.
the desire to accomplish a
Accomplish.
accomplish
Yes.
objectives and achieve success.
Yes. Okay. Sometimes a lot of people they work hard because of achievement, right?
What is achievement?
Achievement like success.
Success. Okay.
Okay. Like promotion.
Promotion.
Yes. Like awards.
Oh,
Achievement. Okay.
achievement. Okay.
Your
Achievement.
great achievement in your life is when you become a manager, right? Correct?
Correct. Yeah.
Yes, that is your big success.
Ye-
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah. so so someday maybe what is your wish? You're gonna have a lot of money and then someday you wanna have your own maybe your own hotel.
No, I don't want to
Ah, you don't
own a
want.
hotel.
So what is your next dream?
My dream, maybe I want uh to be a tour guide.
Ah, you wanna be a tour guide.
Yes, because
Oh.
I have a license.
Ah, so maybe you're gonna have tour agency, something like that.
Yeah. Yes.
Ah, okay. You know, that business is really good in the Philippines.
Ready?
Yeah, there are a lot of Korean agency here. Korean.
Korean? But I
Yes.
can't speak Philippine language.
Yeah, English, I
Oh
think.
yes, English.
Yeah, no problem.
Oh,
In the Philippines, there are a lot of Korean agencies, tour agency,
yeah.
because there are a lot of Koreans here. So the same, maybe someday you can have your business here in the Philippines.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Maybe.
that's yeah, that's a good
Good
idea. But
idea.
yes, but you have to start in
Eh,
Taiwan. Yeah.
okay.
Yes. Okay. So another influence, okay, of culture is time and
Future.
yeah. For example, pu-
Punctu punctu
punctuality.
punc
Punctuality.
punctuality.
Yeah, punctuality.
Punctuality.
Yes.
Deci-
Correct.
decision.
Decision
Mm,
making
decision making time
constraints.
constraints time expectations on
In
implementation
yeah, implementation.
implementation of plans.
All right. So you know the word punctuality,
No,
meaning to say not late, no late.
no late,
Yes, always on time.
always on time.
Yes, that is
Okay,
punctuality.
punctuality,
So
always
are
on
you
time. Mm.
yeah, are you punctual person?
Yes,
Oh, me too. I'm always punctual. I hate being late.
yes, me
Yeah,
too.
you
Yep.
too. Okay. And the last one is about this.
Ethics,
Yeah. Do you know the word
standards
ethics
of
of
conduct
co-
and morality.
morality? You know morality?
Um,
Moral.
moral. What's
Mm.
that?
Morality is about good and bad. Good and a bad thing.
Good and a bad thing?
Yes. Good activity and bad activity.
What
In
is ethics?
ethics is all about morality. Good thing and the bad thing. Good. Ah, okay. And good. Hello.
Hello.
Are you there?
I'm here.
Yeah,
Yes,
you're
I'm
there. Okay.
here.
Ethics is about good thing, good
And
thing.
bad thing.
Yes, and bad thing.
Mm.
Okay. Good thing and bad thing or good attitude. Good attitude and the bad attitude. Got it? Yeah. Like this. Ethics. For
ethics.
example, if you cheat in the company, cheating, you know the
Yep.
word cheating?
Yeah.
If you cheat in the company, you don't have a good morality or good ethics. Okay?
Not okay. I check my
All
dictionary.
right, you try to
Yeah.
check in your
Yeah.
dictionary. That's
Sorry.
better. Yeah, no problem. Mhm. Oh, there you go. Standards of
Standards.
conduct. Like level, the level of the good thing and the bad thing.
Mm.
Did you get it? The meaning?
Wait a moment.
Okay.
Oh, got it. Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Ethics. Okay.
Ethics.
Ethics also
Yeah.
is important in the
Yes.
company. Yeah.
Yep. Yep.
All right. So, Miss Jane, let's
Yes.
continue our topic next time about ethics. Okay.
Okay.
Your homework is this very simple.
Okay.
You
Ethics.
have to give examples of business ethics.
Okay.
Yeah, only examples. All right.
Okay.
Okay, that's enough for tonight. Continue your party.
Thank- I want to take a shower and then
Ah,
sleep.
yes. Okay, the resting time. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Okay. See you
Yeah,
next
bye
time.
bye.
Bye
Yeah,
bye.
bye bye.
Ching 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 ching.
Galing siya ng park.
Homework. Ching chang ching chang.